Welcome to part 4 of the SHSAT 2017-2018 walkthrough. We are doing Math Form B, questions 94 through 104. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. If you don't have a copy of this test for some reason, there is a link in the description below to my website where you can download and or print the test for free. Alright, let's get started today. Again, we're doing questions 94 through 104. Okay, 94. We have a pizza shop. We have 3 sizes, 7 different toppings. Okay, he's going to pick 2. So we have 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Just like always, right? That's going to be, what, 10, 21. And we have 3 pizzas. So that's going to give us 63 choices according to the law of addition. Alright, or at least I call it the law of addition. I'm not sure what it's actually called. Okay, 95. Alright, we're looking at a chart with some cats. There's 100 cats, and we're looking at what percentage. Okay, so it's going to be different than just, we can't do 42 minus 35. We have to do 42 minus 35 divided by 35 to get the percentage. That's 7 over 35, which is 20%, I believe. Yes. So that's answer D, 20%. Okay, number 96. The wooden box is a square base. Okay. The height of the box is 3 times, so if that's the height, it's going to look something like that. Alright, and then, let's see, so this is 3 also. Length is going to be 9, and this is 3. Alright, so 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So that's going to be H. Alright, back to the top here in just a second for number 97. We are on a bike trip traveling 65 miles an hour, no, 65 kilometers in 5 hours. Or we can go, what, 72 in 4 hours? And we want to know the difference in the mean. Alright, so 65 divided by 5 is 13. 72 divided by 4 is 18. 18 minus 13 is 5. So our answer is B, 5 kilometers per hour. Okay, we have a number line. PQRS in a row. So they want to know the midpoint of PQ. That's negative 3 and negative 1. Right in between negative 3 and negative 1 is negative 2. And then we have the midpoint of RS, which is 0 and 2, which is 1. How many points are in between here? 3. So our answer is G. Okay, we have, what, 1,000 cubic centimeters in a liter, 1,000 cubic milliliters in 1 milliliter. How many milliliters are there? So 1,000 times 1,000 is simply 1 million. 1,000 times 1,000. Just got the zeros. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Good. Number 100. So we have a radius here, and we want to know what it is in terms of y. So we have x plus 1 is equal to y plus 2. Alright. So we want to solve for y. So we're going to have y equals x minus 1, subtract 2, which happens to be e. Alright. 101. Okay, let's start by making them all the same here. So we're going to change this to 2/8. Alright, now we have the same common denominator, negative. So how do we get from negative 2/8 all the way to 5/8? That's going to be 7/8. Okay? Or no point R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from there. So 1/5 would be 7 over 40, right? But we need 2 of them to go from T to R. So it's 14 over 40. Yeah? So change 5/8 to 4/8. We're going to have times 5, 25 over 40 minus 14 over 40. It's going to give us 11 over 40. All right, answer is C. Get all this mess out of here. Okay, 102. He has an internet plan, $18 per month plus 0.024 per minute. We'll call minutes X. That's going to equal, what, $30? So we just do 0.024x is equal to 12. So x, if we divide, is equal to 500. Right? So divide 0.024. Okay. And hopefully that's one of our answers. It is H. All right, number 103. How many are we doing? 2 more problems. Okay, we got 50 cars. Let's start there. 12 are red, which means what? 38 are not red. And we have 10 cameras, so 40 no cameras. And let's see, of these 12 red cars, there are 4 cams. So that means of these 38 cars, there's 6 over here with cams. Yeah? Alright. So what do we want to know? Not red, which is 38, and does not have a backup camera, so we have to get rid of these 6. So we're down to what? 32. Just another probability. Well, there's 50 cars. So 32 out of 50. Is that an answer? Nope. So let's simplify. Let's see. 25 on the bottom, 16 on top. That's an answer. So we're going to go with B. All right. They almost always ask you to simplify. I just didn't see that it needed to be simplified right away. So if your answer's not up there, always go ahead and try to simplify, and then maybe it'll show up. And then if it still doesn't show up, you probably did something wrong, unfortunately. Okay. The decimal 0.06 can be written as a fraction x over 50. Well, 0.06 is just 6 over 100. So if these equal to each other, x must be half of that, which is 3. X equals 3. Okay. Hope you've enjoyed that walkthrough. Next time we'll be doing the final part, part 5. Hope you're enjoying these tutorials. If you do, please subscribe, and we will see you next time. Good luck.